everybody! Thanks for joining me. If you watched my last video, I did a painting on an 8x10 canvas and I didn't like it, so I scraped it, and so then I completely went with a different color scheme. Absolutely loved it. And so I decided I wanted to do some coasters with the same colors as the one that I did second. So the colors that I'm going to be using are Black Tie by DecoArt. This is a satin. That's going to be my base. And then Pearlescent Green by Master's Touch. Pearlescent Blue by Master's Touch. Pearlescent Rose by Master's Touch. Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. And Pearl Violet by Arteza. Alright, I'm going to flood my tiles and I'll be right back. Alright, the tiles have been flooded. The bubbles have been popped. And I think I've gotten everything out of here. Oh, no. There it is. I could tell it kept looking like there was something in there, but every time I tried to grab it, nothing came out. It's because it was bigger than what I was grabbing. So, alright, I think I've got the things out of here now. Except the one that I just saw float down into there. Tried to brush it away, it didn't work. Just made it go down into it faster. Alright. So, going to lay these down. First, I'm going to lay down the Pearlescent Rose. And now the Pearlescent Blue. Okay. I was trying to debate how I wanted to do this. Let's do it this way. Alright, now the Pearlescent Green. Oh wait, I think it should have gone clear up there. Don't think I should have put the green here, because the purple is supposed to be there. I just try to get as much out of it as I can. Doesn't matter if there's a little bit of it there. All right. Okay, the Pearl Royal Purple. And then the Pearl Violet. All right, gonna torch, and I gotta decide how I want to blow these out. Okay, I think I'm going to use my hairdryer this time instead of the leaf blower. I know for those of you who have watched very many of these, that's probably a surprise to you because I almost always use the leaf blower on the tiles. That's very interesting. I don't think I had as much pink on this one as I had on the rest of them. It definitely blew out different, and I know it's because of the angle I was going also. I didn't hit it the same direction. I just know I didn't. I think they're pretty. This is the only one that looks less intermixed, I guess, more like the lines. I might try to grab just a little bit of this pink and see if I can bring it up through there. I'm not sure how that's going to work. I mean, most of my color on this one went this way instead of going that way. So I'm gonna try that real quick and see what happens. Alright, that's not working. I don't hate it. And there is like this line of these two lines of purple, and there's two lines of purple here. So they are still fairly symmetrical. So I think it's still really pretty. I didn't go across it nearly what I did in the painting, but I still love this. I think it is really, really pretty. Right now, it doesn't have nearly as many cells as what the painting had, but I still really like this. I am going to go ahead and scrape the drips and separate the tiles so that I can make sure that it drips down those edges as well. And then I will bring you in for a close-up. These are so beautiful. Love the colors. And I love how they did go from one tile to the next. So they will be a continuance of each other. Since they're all pearls except for the base, they are very shimmery. I was debating on whether I should blow this one a little bit more so that it was over on this tile as well, but it has some of the green and some of the blue already, so I decided that I was going to leave it like it was because they still tie in together, and I think it's really pretty. Would love to know what you think about this. I'm gonna shut the overheads off and we'll look at it with just a flash. Here they are. I could all have that shimmer in those. Oh, so beautiful. These are available for purchase. If you are interested, shoot me an email at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. If you hit the like button, I would really appreciate it. Helps my videos be shown to more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to become one of my newest subscribers. Thank you to all of you who are already subscribed to me. Thank you for all of your support. Well, I'd love to hear what you think about these. So leave me comments down below. Alright, I'll catch you later. Bye. God bless. Here's the dried results of the iridescent painting that I did. It's so shimmery. I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm really glad that that other one needed to be scraped, because had I not scraped it, I would not have chosen a black background, and thus I would not have chosen these colors, and it is beautiful. Look at how much it just shimmers. I mean, that, even with the light on it, looks like it's glowing. It's so pretty. It's got beautiful cells and lacing throughout. I can't wait to get a coat of resin on this and see what it's gonna look like after that. Oh, it's probably gonna be beautiful, beautiful. Well, let me know what you think. Alright, I'll catch you later. Bye, and God bless.